Ingla thurubur.
Hakabaya day bat kajing syak keno baki don ki Jingdkoh Pyntreikam ya gajal Jeevan mission ha Meghalaya Myntri Tnat PHE u Marquis and Marang ulaong bakani Tnat kala shusha penlong kam san hima sima na kadaw jong ka election Lok Sabha kaban salong shen habakren bat kinong pathai khubor u Marquis ulaong ba ka Meghalaya kala Kyntait pan Pyntreikam ya gajal Jeevan mission kabalong nyopo lai point khatsan naka shispa haba Kyntait ya gijing keno bakadon kajing bamsap ha kajing Pyntreikam ya ka project uni Myntri ulaong ba yakini ki project ansale ya ka geotact hadian ba la pendep yaki bat kam don kanu kajing bamsap.
See, now the MP elections are coming. These are all politically planned, and then just to just before the elections they have to make this kind of a statement so that people will believe them and say that government is not doing anything. So I'm here to tell you that JJM implementations, as I have told you, that is very clear, very transparent. Payments are also very transparent, and before payments works are also monitored very thoroughly, because even after completion of the projects, we have to geotech the projects.